It is race day, and the winner is, well, we haven't really chosen anybody yet, but that's about to change. So I'm going to, whoa, hang on a second. Get a bit of traction myself a little bit here. Okay, that didn't go so well. There we go. Okay, we have got, well, 5 drivers competing for the Proline Tyres. Oh. Well, hang on. Maybe I should mention the 5. Okay, so we have Tracy. We have Claude with capital letters. We have RC Remedy. Then we have Keith Lee, and we have Mario Villa. I think he's been in the show before, or at least in the competition, but he didn't win anything. All right, we've got to get the track ready. Have to get a couple of routes and stuff out so that we actually see the trail properly, and we're going to get cracking. So we have a nice little flat area where I'm going to place the TRX4 Sport as a starting point, and then from here we are going to go the, well, in brackets, the normal Worx trail or race course. So we're going to have our start point. Where's my finger? There. Go over the new obstacle that hasn't been there before. Then we will take the trail up to here, then passing through the difficult wedge, which might prove a little bit difficult today because it is not wet, but it is a little bit moist, so we might have a little bit of traction problem, especially because we have a little bit of plants that I've cleaned out, and we might get a little bit of wet tires driving over those plants. Coming up here, turning right, and then turning a sharp left, trying to get over the wet grass and over the finish line. And we have Tracy up on the first run. And here goes the bell, and off he goes. Oh boy, that's not a good start. Hang on a second. First out of that. Oh, he got a little bit hooked. Okay, taking it easy, taking it steady. I need to go just position myself. All right, there we go. Doing quite a good, good start on the first piece. Coming through, trying to hook a left, but he missed it. Trying to do that again. And he did a good, hang on. Slowly, easy does it. We've got a bit of sun in the camera here at the moment. Trying to get through this. Oh, he went a little bit far to the right. Hang on, get my camera pointed out. And come on. No wasting time here on the trail. Oh, got the tire up in the air. Come on. Finding traction. Yes. Oh, we have a few rocks that have, no! Quickly get him back onto his wheels. And that's a repo, but we are not counting repo. This is just a time trail like we've always done. Trying to get him lined up. Slowly, easy does it. A little bit of adjusting there, and that should do the trick, but it's not. You see, it is slippery. Tires are wet. A little bit of speed through there. Yes, that might have done it. Come on. There we go. That was a little bit difficult. Okay, now we're going to take it a bit slower through this. Trying to keep it a little bit more on the left. And the little tree that has always been so tiny has grown to be quite big. And coming, there's a fly biting me right now. And we are across the line. And coming up for a driver change. Positioning the TRX4 on the start point. Okay, let's grab a new driver. Hang on, get that guy out of here. Let's, where are we going to put him? Okay, let's put him over there. Next guy is Claude with capital letters. Next runner up, we have Claude with capital letters. And 3, 2, 1, here comes the bell, and off he goes. Taking it a little bit easy, not trying to roll over, going into the ditch, and he's actually on his side. Let's see if he can get himself out of that. before we roll over. Slowly, easy does it, easy does it. The Worx tires are not helping at the moment. Not finding enough grip to actually get through that stage. Here we go, with a bit of wheel speed. Come on, backing it up, and pump. Another one, and oh, that is just too slippery today. And now he's just not getting out of this at all. What is that? Come on, Claude, you can do this. There we go. Quite a spectacular jump there by Claude. Hang on, let's see if we can get this. Might have to repo him. Here we go. A little bit of speed. Driving like an absolute devil at the moment. And oh yes, come on. Oh, almost made it. Maybe just needs a bit of a... No, that's an absolute wrong position. Absolutely line the TRX4 up a little bit better. Slowly, easy does it. Come on, Claude, you can do this. Taking it easy, taking it slow. Come on, just a bit of more wheel speed there, and he's made it. Yes, up onto the section where he goes off to the right. Slowly, easy does it. Not trying to lose grip on this piece because that is a definite rollover. Big tree in the way, as always, coming around, and come on, oh, getting stuck. A little bit more speed and across the line. Well done, Claude. And next runner-up is Keith Lee. And ready, steady, go. Here goes the bell, and he is off. Good start, not too bad. Oh, leaning off to the side. No, don't go that way. Okay, we've got a bit of motorbike action on the road behind us right now. Getting stuck on the chassis there. Big rock in the way. Oh, one of the wheels dropped into that little gap. Coming through slightly, yes. Good. The traction is not the best. Okay, passing through a little bit. Lining up for the steep V-climb, taking it very easy. Will he make it? Yes, wow, that was very good. Sometimes slower is better. Okay, not wasting a lot of time and doing the 4-point or 5-point turn, depending on how much traction the front wheels actually find to get past this tree. Whoa, that was almost off the back. And he is across the line. Wow, well done, Keith. And next runner-up is RC Remedy. Quite a cool name, I must add. Not a bad idea, because this is what the hobby is all about. So, 3, 2, 1, off he goes. Here goes the bell. Taking it easy, yes, up. A little bit too soon. Getting stuck in the gorge there. Come on, slowly. So, no, don't fall on your side, that's not the way to go. Can he get back? Yes, he made it back. Stuck on the kind of the same place again, but managed to get over that with the rear axle. Slowly, easy does it now, easy to, oh, just moved over a little bit, but can he get around? No, one more back up, and can he pass it? Well, oh, yes, he did with a slight wheelie. Okay, and getting stuck on the right front tire. This is because of the slippery surface, and the wheels are not finding that traction. There we go. That was not so bad. And can he make it? Yes, he made it up the V section. But he's a little bit far on the left, trying to maneuver the car over to the right now. And getting that wheel into the air is not helping. Not managing to pass that front piece. There we go, now he's made it. And off he goes, slowly. Trying to keep as far left as possible. Not backing up too much. Up, almost fell over there, and he is across the line. Oh, I didn't even film that, but well done. And the last runner-up is Mario Villa. So, ready, steady, Here comes the bell. Off he goes. Trying to, oh, getting right. He's stuck in the beginning on that big rock on the rear axle. Not a good thing. Oh, well, he passed that quite nicely, but he jumped a little bit off to the left. Let's see if we can get the TRX all lined up here. Yes, we can. Trying to keep the camera. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was not the way to do it. Hell, he's back on his tires. Trying to do another 3-4 point turn to actually line the TRX4 up. Come on, just a little bit. No, that was a little bit too much throttle. Maybe if you just slow it down a little bit, we might get around this. Wait, now we can. Okay, no. That is just the slipperiest surface at the moment. There we go. Now we've got it. Getting the TRX4 lined up into the V. Let's see if we can pass through there. Easy, steady does it. Wiggle the front wheels. Get that front of the truck lower down. Slowly, easy does it, easy does it. Come on, come on. This should not be that difficult. Here we go. Oh, no. And maybe with a wheel speed and a little bit more wheel speed. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, this is a repo. It's not a counting repo because we just have time trails, like I said earlier on. And, whoa. Obviously, I need to find traction too. Now, doing the same again. Lining the truck up. The nose is just too high at the moment. Cannot find that traction. Let's get the back wheels a little bit further to the right. And that's not helping either. This little V-notch is proving to be really difficult on a, well, not a really wet day, but it is making the tires wet and more slippery than normal. Okay, lining the front of the tire up as good as possible. And come on, TRX4, you can do this. Ow, that was not too good. Yeah, this is challenging today. Really, really challenging. Okay, bumping it over that one rock. Lining the truck up again. Come on, TRX4. Not too hectic this time. There we go, made it with a bump. And slowly, easy does it. Come on, you can make it, yes. Coming around. You're joking. You've got to be absolutely joking. Now, this is actually like almost too late. Let's see what we can do here. Nope, I knew it. Okay, back on its wheels. Come on, back on your wheels. Okay, off we go. That was really unfortunate. Easy does it. No. There you go, a bit of speed through there. That was quite nice. Lined the car perfectly. And now slowly stay on the left. And when we back up slowly and not far, making this into maybe a 4.5 point turn again, getting around this tree and across the line. Oh man, I'm so slow with the camera. So we've gone in, assessed the times, taken the times down of each trail, and we have Mario Villa coming in at 3 minutes and 58 seconds, number 5. Now we have Claude coming in at 2 minutes 6 seconds, number 4. Then we have Evan Tracy coming in at 1 minute 48 seconds, number 3. Then we have RC Remedy coming in at 1 minute 24 seconds. And the winner, Keith Lee, coming in at 1 minute 1 second. Cannot believe that time, man. So congratulations, Keith. You are the winner of the Proline Tyres. Contact me on Instagram on Boris Worx, or search for Boris Worx, and I will send you those tires. But don't worry, guys, we have got more tires up for grabs next year. So I have got a little bit of an ace up my sleeve. Next year, we are going to add a winch into the competition. So if you guys are looking for a winch or tires, just let me know which of the two you want and we will get that going from the beginning of next year. So that's it from me this week. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.